What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bakali, and today's video is about C63s. I know I haven't uploaded in a pretty long time, about a month or 2 months, so I apologize for not making any videos. I couldn't come up with any good ideas of what to make, but now I'm back in the groove. I got this video, I got a couple other videos coming soon, and then, well, today is a huge announcement about my channel and about my car and the future of those two things, basically. But first, I wanted to say thank you very much for 1,000 subscribers. We hit 1,000 subscribers about a month ago or so, and I just wanted to thank everyone for subscribing, for liking, for commenting. I really appreciate it. I read all your comments on YouTube and on Instagram, so keep doing that. If you enjoyed the videos, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already and you're watching this video, subscribe, because there's a lot of good videos and a lot of good content coming very, very soon. So anyways, let's begin today's video. Yes, today's video is about the infamous C63s. I freaking love this car. But the big announcement is I am selling my C63s. Yes, finally it is time for the C63s to leave my garage. Hopefully one day come back again. I'm gonna track this VIN, save it, just to make sure one day down the road I'm gonna be able to buy this car back, as long as it's not like wrapped around a tree or anything. But yes, this car is being sold. I did buy my new car, which is coming in about a few weeks, which is very exciting. I'm not gonna say what it is right now. I'm just gonna say why I'm selling the car, but I will give you a hint. It is another AMG. This is my daily driver that I am buying. The C63s replacement comes in about a year and a half. So the next car is not the replacement to this car, but it is my new daily driver. So I can have a daily driver and a supercar, or whatever car I get next, I'll have 2 cars. So one of the main reasons why I'm selling this car is because of the expenses. This car has cost me over $30,000 within the 3 years, 64,000 miles that I've owned it. It's getting very expensive to own as a daily driver. This car is not really meant for daily driving, especially if you live in winter climates. So that's why I'm getting something more daily drivable, and that's why I'm kind of getting rid of this, because as it approaches more miles, you know, it gets to the 100,000 mile mark, it's probably going to need 2 new turbos, new engine tune-up, and it's going to cost a lot of money that, well, I simply do not want to put into a car that I will not get the money back. So that's one of the main reasons why I'm getting rid of this car. And if you haven't noticed, I am wearing my TGE merch, the churning shirt. Because we hit 1,000 subscribers, you might see some ads on my videos. So now I'm churning to get that YouTube cash, as TGE LDNM says. So another good reason why I'm getting rid of this car is, well, I'm itching for something different. I know, I mean, how can you get tired of a car like this? But when you drive a car for 3 years, 64,000 miles, and it's the only car that you drive every single day through all conditions, snow, summer, you know, rain, everything, you do kind of get tired of seeing the same and feeling the same exact car. You want to try and experience something different, and that's just sort of being a car person. You want to try all different sorts of cars. Now, unfortunately, I am not that rich enough to be able to hold this car and buy other cars as well. Right now, I can only hold 1 car, and then hopefully in a year, the actual replacement to the C63s will be coming, and that will be 2 cars. But as of right now, I can only have 1 car in the garage. And I made the ultimate decision that I would trade this in, get the new car, because one, the new car is actually really, really cool for a daily driver. I think it's going to be amazing, and like I said, you guys are going to love the content with that car. I am going to miss this a lot. I will be making a final review for the C63s encompassing everything, how it's been to drive, how it's been to own, and, you know, all the costs and everything. So be on the lookout for that video. So another reason why I'm getting rid of this car right now is because I'm getting the best trade-in value at this time. People are looking for sports cars. Factories are not making a lot of sports cars right now, especially C63s AMGs. So it's a good time to unload this car. I am trading it in towards the dealership, towards a new car, because, well, I get a tax relief in the state of PA. If I trade in my car towards a new car, I only have to pay taxes on the difference, so it makes sense to trade in. And, well, I'm actually getting a better trade-in value than I would if I were to sell this car on the secondhand market. So that's another good reason why I'm getting rid of this car right now. So that about wraps it up for today's video. It was really short. I just wanted to make the announcement that I am selling this car. Finally, I know it's probably a big surprise to everyone. The next few videos that come out about this car are going to be really amazing. I'm going to be doing a fall driving POV video. I think you guys will really enjoy that. Thanks again, everyone, for watching this video. Be on the lookout for the final videos of the C63s. Please subscribe and like if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next video.